Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Microsoft Excel to its default settings in a few simple steps. If you've made changes to Excel and want to start fresh, this guide is for you. Resetting Excel can help you undo unwanted customizations, fix errors, or restore its original setup. Let's dive in. First, let's reset Excel through the Registry Editor. Close Excel completely. Press Windows plus R, type Regedit, and hit Enter. Now, navigate to this path. H-key current user software plus Microsoft Office plus Excel. Replace with your Excel version number like 60. Right-click the Excel folder, select Delete, and confirm. This will remove custom settings. Close the Registry Editor. T will recreate default settings automatically. And that's it. Now you know 3 easy methods to reset Microsoft Excel to its default settings. Whether it's using the Registry Editor, resetting options manually, or renaming the profile folder, you're covered. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.